Guys, my name is David and I have got a magic bird horn. But is it magic yet? No. Just a normal high pitched noise. But if we come to the tip, put the water on and add it through the hole on his head. Or its head, should I say. So now that it's filled up with water, let's dry it off. Give me a second. And let me just try drying this off. So guys, I bet you're wondering, what the hell is this? But you're going to find out any second now. So as you know, I just added water. So give me a second. Here we are. So I'm going to blow through it now. Right. So it was a high pitched noise at first, but now what is it? Won't work anymore. Thank you for watching anyway, and this has been the magic bird horn thingy. Whatever. So thanks for watching anyway, quick video, and yeah.